If you are driving down a road and you cannot see any speed signs, then there are only two possibilities as to what the speed limit would be. If it's a built-up area, the speed limit will be 30 miles an hour. If it's a non-built-up area, then it is a national speed limit road. What determines whether it's a built-up area or a non-built-up area is the presence of streetlights. If the road has streetlights and no speed signs, it is a 30 miles per hour road, as it is a built-up area. If the road doesn't have any streetlights and there's no speed signs, then it is a non-built-up area, and it is subject to the national speed limit, which is 60 miles per hour for a single track road. If the road is neither of these two speed limits, then you will see repeater signs, which are smaller, individual signs that remind you of the current speed limit. If you are unsure of the speed limit of a road you are on, you can look down side roads. If you can see change of speed signs on the side road, then you can rule that speed out. Otherwise, there wouldn't be change of speed signs. When there is a change of speed, you see two larger speed signs together. This is called a gateway. If the gateway is leading to a higher speed, you should maintain your current speed up to the gateway. Then as you reach the gateway, you should check your mirrors to make sure you're not being overtaken before accelerating. You should not accelerate if someone is overtaking you, as this could be dangerous. If the gateway is leading to a slower speed limit, then you should check your mirrors before slowing down and make sure you are doing that slower speed as you reach the gateway. Changes of speed most often happen as you are entering a new road, so this is when you need to look out for new speed limit signs. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.